Just so you see a couple examples. For example, now we're going to reverse it. Oh, actually here, turtle, right? He's turtling facing the camera, okay? Look, I want to get my knee in here. He's blocking it. He's blocking, he's blocking. Look, I'm going to just put my foot here. I didn't get the hook, but I'm going to come in here with what I call a crappy hook, okay? And then I'm going to thread it all the way through here, 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 here. And here we are. Truck, okay? Twist it. Okay? So that is from turtle with one hook. Okay? Watch this, S mount. Okay? I got S mount here. Okay? My foot in a 3/4 mount here. Look. Look. Here, here, here. Here. Truck. Okay? That was off of S mount. He's on his back. Look. I'm cutting here, through here, here, and again. One. Truck. Okay? From now pass. Right? Okay? One more. Watch this. I'm mounted. I'm here. I'm mounted, but I feel him trying to put my right leg in back in the half guard. 1, 3, 4. Look. Truck. Okay, that's 4 spots. Watch this. I'm doing a double underpass. So look. So we're here. Truck. These are a little bit more complicated here. From here, you go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Truck. Hook. Here. Here. Here, right? Double underpass. We're going to do it from here. Head that way. You're like a little bit. There you go. Truck from the opposite side. However, there's just easier ways of getting into it. As this. Second. So I went over this way. Now watch. Let's see, he'll move that arm out of the way. From here. Watch. You think he thinks I'm going to step over for a mount, right? But I'm gonna go right in here. He pinches his knees. Truck. Or back. And we're here. Okay? Well, last thing I'm gonna show you is this. This is Brandon McCaffrey. Let me take it back. Rear naked choke. Usually, this is a fantastic concept. I rarely show submissions from here. So look, rear naked choke. Usually 1, 2, 3, right? But we're gonna go 1, 3, 2. Look, you're gonna go left hook, right. You're gonna go, instead of 1, 2, 3, you're gonna go 1, 3, 2. Does that make sense? So this is how you slide it in, and it's tight. Because oftentimes you're here, he's fighting that arm, okay? How am I gonna get it here, okay? Let's say he even got under the chin here. He's fighting, okay? Here, 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 and finish. Because otherwise, how am I gonna do it? Here, and then here, I don't even have enough space. You'll pull the hand off the head. Yeah. And then we're here. 1, 3, 2. Yeah. And your head, yeah. Okay. Let's do it from this side here. And that's how you can get it nice and quick. You can go instead of 1, 2, and he knows he'll catch this arm, he'll pull it out, put it over his shoulder, and he'll unlock me. Oh, I don't want that. 1, 3, 2, and then this elbow just goes over this hand, or just put this hand under. Here, and it's already wedged in there. Head here. Take a deep breath. All right, so 1, 3, 2. 1, 3, 2. And finish. All right, that's it. 1, 2, 3. Just take it back from the back. You don't have to do all that. Trucking. 1, 3, 2.